Hey guys, it's Kat. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my college apartment room tour and I'm so excited to show you guys.
Hi, it's my room too.
Go there.
Okay. Wait, am I supposed to flip it? I need to see what I'm doing, right?
Oh yeah, flip it.
Like this. Okay, okay. I was gonna ask you, I don't know what we're doing.
Hi guys. MTV, welcome to my crib, is that what they say? Good. Come on, stay a while. This is the room. So I guess we'll just start at the door.
My side, Cat side.
So this is our door that we use to get into the room. There's a lot of doors in here, so it can get confusing. This is my closet. I have a Polaroid wall. I'm starting right here, and I have a little to-do list. So yeah, this is just what it looks like in my closet. I have some clothes hung up, some stuff folded up there, and then I have my shoes thrown down there in my laundry. And then I have like some purses and bags and stuff on my door. Yay! Connie got the bigger closet, so.
Because I'm better.
So I got this beautiful thing from Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to my dad for helping me get it here. It was originally $1,000. I got it for $200. Scrubbed it down, added these little like crystal knobs. This is my junk drawer, so I'm not showing you what's in there. In these two I have t-shirts, and then in these two I have sweatpants and shorts, and then this is my dance clothes. Favorite part, okay, are we ready for this?
Wow.
Slides, like palettes. I have this birthday girl thing, but it's only my birthday one day a year, so for the other 364 days, I'm gonna just keep my sunglasses in it.
What if I wasn't even recording? I am.
Here I have the gratitude box where I write things I'm thankful for.
You haven't even done that.
No, I have. They're in the back. For my health. I'm thankful for my health in this pandemic.
That's
okay,
sweet.
Moving on. My pens, pencils and stuff. My clothes and stuff. You know, we got some bathing suits, leggings, my phone, because I was trying to hide it. Underwear, party shirts, my little camera bag, socks, and this is my bra. So underneath here, I slid under. I have like one of these laundry baskets. And
Don't undo it. It's
it's a pain to do, but it pops up. It's for when I do my laundry once a year. This is me, my big and my G-Big, my Polaroid, some flowers, me and Connie on big day, and then this is my plant that's fake. They're all fake. Over here I have some little sunflowers I got from Big Little, and this picture of me and Maddie, who's my big. Since like classes are online and stuff, I'm just gonna keep my school stuff, books, laptop, all of that in here. We have this beautiful mirror, and then in here, this is our bathroom. It's sunflower themed. I don't know what else to say about it. We have this C in here. My aunt made it. We both have C names, so we have a lot of C's. And we both like sunflowers, so there's sunflowers. And then this is like such a great way to save space inside my stuff there and Connie's stuff there. We both love cats and coffee, so I put this here because my mom got it for me. And then we have this beautiful little basket, which I did weave myself. So, yeah.
I thought you just attached that thing yourself.
No, I wove this basket. Okay, bye. So yeah, this is our mirror. It's super big, which I love. And then in here we have towels and lady products, and there's the squatty potty. Here we have our towels. That one is mine and that one is Connie's. Okay, so this is my bed. My pillow.
Can you fix that? It's gonna bother me.
What is
your blankets, like
this?
Yeah, you see.
These two are from Home Goods. Oh, wait, I did a haul. You know what? I did a haul. If you want to know where any of my bedding is from, watch my haul. Okay, thanks. I don't need to tell you guys in this video. So yeah, this is my bed. Super cute. It is a day bed. We both have twin beds. I was at my aunt's house. She recently passed away, so I have a lot of things here from her house. And I also hung up like a lot of like her artwork and these pictures which she took in her garden. So I feel like it would make her very happy. Under here is the trundle bed, so I can just like pull it out if we have anyone staying over, and we've actually used it a lot so far. It's super convenient. And then back there by the windowsill, I have all my stuff, outlet, like medicine, just anything I might need.
Hi guys, this is my room. This is my nightstand. We painted this and this white so it all matched with the white.
It used to be pink before. Okay,
And
no one cares.
This is where my laptop is. I just put other things in there. And then the fan, because I can't sleep without a fan. This is my bed.
Where'd you get your comforter?
Urban Outfitters. I had it last year. These are my pillows. I don't. Oh, wait, we have to do our vision.
I know. Here,
Okay.
tell me about your vision
Okay.
board.
I just put a lot of things that I really aspire to do, and that can inspire me to be a better person.
Nice. We both made these vision boards, if you could see, and then we put a C again because we both have C names. I put a lot of sunflowers on it, and I put some quotes. It says Gucci on it because I'm gonna manifest getting a Gucci belt.
This is my Polaroid wall. Necklaces. I really like this. It's very handy. I think everyone should go get one. Me and Kat both like butterflies, so I have that. And the best part, my purse. And then I just put these pictures. I love my purse, and I want this to be the focal point of the whole room.
Oh, little peek. We both wanted to have a desk, but we don't have room for that. So we are sharing this desk slash vanity. It has a lot of purposes. And I thought this was a cute idea. This is my side and this is her side. And I can open this up and just keep all my makeup in there because it gets pretty messy. So that's our room. Yeah. So cute. So that was our room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more college content, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a tour of the whole apartment. I could maybe make that happen. It's looking pretty cute downstairs. So yeah, just let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.